Hi, in a previous video, I broke down the major and minor triads and how you derive to any chords you want to once you study that and get under your fingers. I talked about the dominant chords. I'm going to talk about major sevens and major 6/9s. Still pretty much the same theory, the 1, the 3, the 5. And so now we talked about the major 7. Someone may say, well, how do I play a 6/9 or a major 6/9? Okay, so you got the 1, the 3, the 5. You want to add the 9 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When you're talking about a 6/9, you're pretty much talking about a major 7 chord where you've added the 6 and the 9. So we start out with the major 7. Then you're going to add the 6 and then the 9. So we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here's your major chord, your major 7. Then we're going to add the 6. Then we're going to add the 9. That's one version of it. Here's another inversion. And these inversions are all up and down the neck. And I suggest that you practice them in every position so wherever you are in a song, you can grab it. I also suggest that you get your chord encyclopedia and keep it in your gig bag with you so you'll always have a visualization of the chords. And here's a little technique I developed years ago that helped me as a young guitarist be able to grab those chords as quick as I needed to. I would just take the chord, because a lot of times when you're starting, so you want to practice this, and this will accelerate your ability to get your fingers to do what you want them to do instead of taking, forever to get that process underway. So just whatever the chord is. But I want you to start onto G, all the way up to E, and all the way back until you can just grab those chords cleanly. Whatever the chord is. That will accelerate your ability to grab those chords, because when you're playing a song that has a lot of chords in it, you need to be able to get to them and get to them cleanly. Say, for instance, we were talking about the major 7. The major 7 here, the major 7 here, major 7 here, major 7 here. Learn them all over the neck. And I tell you, if you do that, your confidence will just go through the roof as far as playing chords.